When you're trying to act cool and walk in a straight line but your single orange brain cell decides it is time to pivot. Contractor charges by the hour but the supervisor has a zero tolerance.
Gonna lay here on the grass.
Potassium hits and you finally reach your final form.
Feel lonely. I'm finding home at last. Dad don't mind being gone on adventures for a while.
Trying to act cool for the camera but your last two brain cells are fighting for third place.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back.
You're trying to be romantic but she's already calculated exactly how many times she can slap you before you reach the front door.
Is all you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Many questions and none of them involve why there are two heads, but rather why they are both judging me at the same time. This is getting out of hand. Trying to stay mad but the chin scritches are hitting that one specific neuron.
Milo, let's go. Milo.
I have seen
Milo.
many places
Milo, let go.
where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly
Try to act cool for the camera but your coordination says no.
going.
I think I just witnessed an alpaca glitch. Trying to stay on your diet but that one friend knows your exact weakness.
Cause the thing is I've got more love you than I can bear.
Decide to match outfits with the cat but realize only one of you is actually pulling it off. My best
Imagine places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
main character energy is so strong that the predators just become the live studio audience.
What is it?
Know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I
Trying to make a grand entrance but your legs are only 2 inches long and the door is your lifelong nemesis. Think you've made a new friend on the trail but he's actually just there to remind you that you're in his gym and to... I locked the door, but apparently, my roommate has a PhD. Human forgets the dinner schedule so you have to take matters into your own paws and bring the bag to them. Service around here is getting a 1-star review.
My heart is all you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Oh my god! Yes! Yes!
Classic ginger cat logic: if it exists, it must be edible, and if it is not edible, I will simply choose to be offended at...
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay
No.
here on the grass.
Striker is world class but your cat is the real Golden Glove winner. Sub me and coach.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. Dad don't mind being gone on it.
Just trying to get ready for work but your dog thinks the hairdryer is a personal challenge to a duel.
'Cause the best thing
Just trying to use the bathroom in peace but the neighbor wants to talk about your car's extent.
Olsun, şey olmaz değil mi? Olmaz. Anne bir şey olmaz. Ya.
of all
Bir
the
şey olmaz.
magic places
Gathered you all here today to discuss my plans for world domination, which will begin once I am dry.
No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking
watched my cat try to enter the room like a secret agent and leave like a bag of laundry.
No, that's one. I never felt so much like a kid in my life. Don't you shoot?
Shut your nasty little face.
You're.
Where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly phrases. And I'm going mad. But I don't have to be.
You're a bag of chips open from 3 rooms away.
I just found out there's an actual clinic on Maine for what you call it when you can't sleep at night and you just eat instead. It's called Insomnom Nom Nom.
I heard something outside, but it turns out I am just being haunted by an orange loaf with 0 boundaries. Cat and the dog both realize the frog is the only one in the group with a real plan for the afternoon.
Does that feel good, Liza?
Human thinks they have privacy, but the supervisor of the house has questions about the... Trying to stay hydrated, but your lower lip decides to become a hike. You're the star of the soccer team, but your vision for the game is a bit too literal.
Алло, мам, можно принести домой одного котенка? Понял.
Just checking the structural integrity of the cushion, and it failed the test. Don't look at me like that. I'm just as shocked as you are.
What are you doing? Sasha, what are you doing?